But the problem is they don't know what is the true crypto. Imaginein mo, nagpakahirap. Imagine mo, for example, yung lola na yun ay isang guro. 40 anyos or 40 years kang nagturo at nagkanda kuba ka dyan, nagkaroon ka na ng sakit, kakaamoy ng chok, kakasang langhap ng chok. Diba? At only for you to lose your money into scam. And worse, dinamay mo pa yung asawa mo, yung lolo nung nagkwento. Why do that happen? Number one, mga kamiranda, alam mo, ironically, sinasabi natin mataas ang awareness or adoption rather. Pero the problem there is pero kulang sa edukasyon. Alam ng tao na may cryptocurrency, but the problem is they don't know what is the true crypto.